Good evening, everyone. This is Cynthia Gottfredson, and yes, you are seeing me live here in Laguna Niguel, California at 10:31 p.m. May 17, 2015. I am doing a 90-day video challenge. Every day you will see a new video from me being loaded up to YouTube or other sources. Facebook, etc. And I like to talk to you the reason why I joined this Empowered Network and IPAS2 systems that are hooked together as one company that you will see soon. My core reason why I joined this company is that I had a reality check this year. My mother had fallen down twice and broke two of her bones. She's currently at the rehab center, healing from her large bone in her leg that broke. The operation was successful, and I know for sure she will be recovered soon and getting strong. But the reality check is that after she's healed and probably home, she needs a caregiver to watch over her when she's walking around the home, etc. Because when she falls down, I will be afraid that she'd be breaking another bone, perhaps a hip bone or something. But in reality, she has insurance. It covers for the doctors, the operation, the hospital, the rehab center, the nurses, and all her prescriptions. Mine is the deductibles, which are fine. I had no issue about that. But then when she's home, she has to have a caregiver, and the insurance does not cover any of the caregiver expenses. Here in California, it can be between $18 an hour up to $25 an hour. And of course, we cannot afford it. That's the main reason I like to be in this Empower Network, to earn money so I can pay for those bills and then some. Empire Network and IPSA2 is not a scam. They were in existence for at least 3 years. This David Wood is the co-founder of it, founding this marketing network, and you are looking at a live person. The videos that you'll be purchasing to learn, all those people are real peoples or real people that went through what you are planning to go through now to start your business. This again is a 90-day challenge, so you'll be seeing me every single day with a new video. So I'm going to end now, and please click the link down on the bottom for Empower Network and or the IPAS2 system to get started with your own business. Once again, this is Cynthia Gottfredson coming to live from Laguna Niguel, California, in my home, or my mom in my home, downstairs in the dining room table. Good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.